In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PayPal account to Gumroad. I'm also going to explain some important information that you need to know when you're using Gumroad with PayPal. So I'm logged on to Gumroad and I can go to my dashboard in the top right hand corner. Now, once I'm on my dashboard, we're going to see some achievements. We don't need to worry about any of these though. We want to go to the bar here on the left and go to settings. Once you're in settings, you can then go to payments. And then inside of payments, you're going to have some different sections. First is going to be verification. So you're going to need to make sure that your details are verified. This is very easy to do. You just fill out basic details and you'll be verified. Then you've got your payout schedule. You can go ahead and choose when you want to get paid out, either via weekly payouts, monthly or quarterly. You can also pause these as well, and you can choose the minimum payout threshold. Now scrolling down, you're going to get to the bank account. Gumroad, I think, really want you to cash out with bank account. So if you have a bank account available, I would put this on first. And the reason I say that is because if you scroll down even more, you're going to get to PayPal. And it says here that to withdraw to PayPal, you must meet the following requirements. So your account must be marked as compliant, and I'll show you in a second how you can get your account compliant. You must have earned at least $100, and you must have received at least one successful payout. So before you can get paid out via PayPal, you must have received one successful payout. And what is the options to get paid out? Well, the only other option is bank account. So you're going to need to enter in your bank account first. And then once you've received one payout of the minimum payout, which is $10, you can then add your PayPal account, provided that you've earned $100. Now, if you go to payouts on the left, you can then go ahead and verify and make your account compliant via this window, but you need to first make $10. So go and sell some stuff first. You're then going to earn money and you'll be able to see it in the payouts section. Then from here, once you've earned $10, you can add your bank account. And then once you've been paid out once, you can then add PayPal after earning 100. So those are the Gumroad rules. Is it fair? Let me know what you think in the comments below, but that is how it is.